Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created these gorgeous butterfly nails. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this set, then just keep on watching. So here are my prepped press-on nails. So just as usual, I've buffed the nails and I also applied some nail cleaner. And I just realised that I've never actually mentioned what kind of press-on nails I use. Well, at least I don't often mention it anyways, but I use Makartt press-on nails. I absolutely love them. They're amazing quality and they're very affordable, so they're literally perfect for anyone really, people starting up their business, or if you're already in the game. Like, this is just such a nice way to get good press-on nails and also to kind of lower your costs, because I know there can be some very expensive press-on nails out there. But also, I always create my nails on a size medium. When you go on my website, I've actually got a size chart and you can see which sizes are a medium. But I always do it because I'm a medium, so if at any point I want to wear a set, I always have, like, literally all the nails I've ever done are literally in a size medium, so they're always available for me to wear for any occasion I absolutely need. So that's one of the little tricks I've done, just for myself, just to keep them. I can literally keep all of my nails in the drawer. It's so literally sick. Like, whenever I'm going out and I'm wearing a specific dress, like, I've literally got all the colours, anything I want right there, ready to pick and choose and wear, basically. So that's a little secret of mine when I do these nails. But going back to the video, I've now applied a nice thin layer of base coat. I popped it into the lamp and now I'm going in with my nude base colour. So I'm using my favourite nude colour that I've pretty much used in, it feels like, about half of the videos I film. Whenever you see a nude colour, there's about an 80% chance it's this nude. I will leave it linked down in the description. I always get it confused. I keep thinking it's from the company Gel Polish, but there's, like, in the corner of the bottle there's a slight small name that appears to be the company name, but it's like so confusing with the branding. But I did show you guys the bottle at the beginning of the video and I will try and find it. I believe I bought it on AliExpress, so I will leave a link down in the description. I'll also try and find it on Amazon because I know that not everyone feels comfortable buying from Ali, so I will try and find it also on Amazon. If not, I might just link at least the company that I got it from, if I can find it on Amazon, just so you're able to maybe just do your own research and just, like, at least find the product. But if not, it will just be Ali, because I know 100%, because I'm 100% sure that it will be on there because I got it from there. But now I'm going in with my second coat, and then once I'm happy, I'm popping it into the lamp. And now we are going to work on our ring finger, and that's the butterfly finger. So now I'm showing you guys my little containers of butterflies, and I got them literally, it feels like a year or two ago. They're absolutely gorgeous. This blue is absolutely stunning, and the purple is just as beautiful as the blue. They're so nice, and I've got a lot of different other colours, and they came in these little cool pots, and you get so many in those containers as well. And I got them literally ages ago from Ali, and they've just been sat in my drawers. I have a lot of, like, 3D gems and stuff that just sit in my drawer because they're so big. And at the time of buying, I'm always, like, so fascinated with them. But as soon as they come, I still love them. But I always end up chucking them into the corner, never using them. So that specific day, I woke up and I was like, I need to use these butterflies because they're worth it and they're gorgeous and I need to basically use them, like, do something with them. So this is the set I've created and I'm absolutely obsessed. So it is one of the most simplest set in a way, but it definitely has such an impact and it looks so gorgeous. So I just applied one of the purple and one of the blue nails on that finger, and then I popped it right into the lamp, and I used some Makartt crystal gem glue thing. You saw me using it in the video. Same thing will be linked down in the description. And now I'm just getting my Go-Go, I think it said Go-Go America color from Semilac, and I'm just popping it onto some plastic that I found in my drawer. Just one line of that gel polish, followed by, I believe that's Ocean from Venalisa, just another line right next to it. And then after that, I believe that the last color that I decided to use was white. We'll see in just a second when I pop it onto the screen. But yeah, white is the last colour. And then what I'm going to do is grab a dotting tool and I'm just going to run it through all of those colours and just swirl them into each other and almost create like like I always like to say, I do like a swirly whirly. I just like swirl right into them. And then what we're going to do is actually apply some base coat across all the rest of those nails, excluding the one with the butterfly. And we're going to use that base coat in a way so that it's basically going to act like a blooming gel, which is so cool. They can do that. So if you guys don't have blooming gel, of course, if you have it, use that. But if you don't have it, base coat is literally the next best thing. And then all I'm going to do is scoop that gel polish up that I just put on that plastic and just swipe it across my gorgeous press-on nails, and then the base coat is going to do the magic and just disperse it through the nail and make it look super nice. So remember, do not put those nails with the base coat into the lamp. The base coat has to be still wet on the nail for this to work, so try not to make that mistakes, because I definitely found myself sometimes just applying the base coat and going straight into the lamp just because you're just so used to doing that with top coats and base coats. Like as soon as it's on, it goes into the lamp, so try not to do that. So as you can see right now, I'm applying my base coat. It doesn't have to be a thick layer nor a thin, just whatever you feel like, apply it. But also you don't want to make it too thick, because of course you're applying another layer of gel on top of that. So you want to make sure that everything does cure nicely under the lamp. And same thing applies when you try to scoop up that gel polish off the plastic. Sometimes you might scoop up too much or too little. It's really good to realize how much you have on the brush, and if there is too much, to try and gently just like place it onto the nail so you're not caking it all in one area, because otherwise you will find yourself with uncured gel on the press-on nail, and then it's going to end up getting bumpy because you're going to touch, you're going to create a hole in there, and it's just going to become a big mess, and that's absolutely not what we want. We want gorgeous press-on nails, so let's try and avoid that. And yeah, I'm sorry guys if my voice is a bit funny in this video. It feels very like, I'm not sick. I don't know what's going on right now with me doing this voiceover. It just feels a bit crusty. I'm so sorry about that. But as you can see, I just grab any random brush I basically found that's gonna do the job, and I'm just applying it wherever, really, just on top, wherever. And you see, especially with the thumb, because by the time I get to the pinky, the thumb has already started to disperse into the sides, and it's so cool because it basically makes it seem like the lines aren't so harsh. So as you can see right now on that index finger where I applied it, the lines are so harsh where I've placed the colourful gel compared to the nude. But as the time goes on and it's just left on the side, the base coat basically does its magic and it just disperses it on the sides, and it makes it look so nice and like it's just meant to be, like it was always there. The edges are so soft, no more sharpness or anything like that, so absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10 from me. So we're on the pinky now, so we're coming to the end of our marble effects, if you will. I don't know what this could be, marble or some, I don't know, some space inspired, I don't know, cloud or something. I don't know what this could be or how you describe this. If anyone knows how you describe that, then please let me know. I'm not the best at describing. So now that's all the 5 fingers right next to each other. So we've got 4 nails with just some gel on top, and then we've got 1 nail with the butterflies. So right now it's time for our top coat. So I did something different, and I went with a mixture of glossy and matte top coat. So right now for that butterfly nail, we are applying a glossy top coat, and that's going around the whole nail, of course excluding the butterfly, so you have to go around it, which is going to be a slight pain, but definitely worth it. And then once you've applied that, you can then go in for the rest of the nails and apply some matte top coat. So I definitely feel like the matte top coat in this set was 100% a game changer. Like, don't get me wrong, I love how it looks right now, and I'm sure it would look absolutely gorgeous with the glossy top coat, but the matte top coat just transformed it completely. Sometimes I feel like you could go horribly wrong with a matte top coat, and sometimes like you could ruin a good set, but sometimes you could go so right with the matte top coat. It's just amazing how much such a little thing can do. Sometimes it will just completely change the look. So I love how I chose the matte top coat. I absolutely love this set. It's so nice and cute and simple, so anyone should be able to recreate this set. If you do nails, literally you have all of these items in your drawers, so definitely recreate if you can and tag me in it. Of course the butterflies you might not find in your drawers, but if you have anything else, you can always chuck that in there too. You can do different colors to accommodate the charm you're putting. It doesn't have to be butterflies. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. We are popping it into the lamp, and here is the final result. Let me know what you guys think of this set. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love those butterflies. I'm going to show you a clip of it on my hand as well. And then shortly after that, you see it also in the box again, like you saw it in the beginning of the video, basically. So here is the final results. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.